Hi there, I'm Sullivan. I am the owner of Brow Cork in Clonakilty. I am a registered nurse, have been for 39 years. I'm also a midwife. And today I want to bring you some details about what we offer and how the next few minutes could be a changing day in your life. The next few minutes could be most certainly a changing day in your life as we discuss the magic of eyebrow microblading. Eyebrows frame our face and we don't realise how important they are until they're gone. Well, I can help you with that. So what do? It's me, Sullivan, the registered nurse and eyebrow microblader. I'm the person who can make this magic happen. I restore confidence and help people feel good about themselves after they've lost their eyebrows. So more about me. I'm a registered nurse, 39 years. 30 of those years was spent in hospital life and 10 of those years was spent in obstetric theatres. So if anybody knows anything about sterility, cross-contamination and infection control, it might be me, which is very important at the moment in an unregulated industry. I am also a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a nurse, but more importantly, I'm an experienced microblader. I'm the founder of Brow Cork in Clonakilty, an eyebrow restoration service. I'm an experienced expert in this field and I have been for the last 8 years. This eyebrow restoration is a unique tattoo using a technique called microblading. I have a website which is called browtcork.com. So, how important are those hairs over our eyes? Would you recognise any of these people if they didn't have their eyebrows? You know what? Even Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants, he had his eyebrows. So, what is microblading? Microblading is a safe cosmetic tattoo procedure where tiny realistic hair strokes are implanted just under the skin, creating little hair strokes that mimic an eyebrow hair. And it's done with this little tool here, which actually isn't a blade at all. It's 15 needles lined up in a row. So, who could I help? I help anybody who's got cancer, who's got chemotherapy, who's got alopecia, trichotillomania, that's where people incessantly pull out their eyebrow hairs, hormonal issues like menopause, thyroid issues, postnatal, or anybody who's got a poor quality brow or they've just overplucked in the past. We not only restore your eyebrows, but we also restore your confidence. And I can help you. He wiped away her tears and he accidentally wiped away her eyebrows as well. This actually could be funny if it wasn't so sad. The problem with eyebrow hair loss, say for chemotherapy for example, it screams, I am sick. As if the reflection in the mirror wasn't enough to remind you of the devastation of your diagnosis. The fact that you're scared, you're fearful, you've got anxiety, you're struggling with a recent diagnosis, the hurt, the lack of control. As if losing your head hair and your eyelashes wasn't bad enough, now your eyebrows have abandoned you as well. Okay, this is Sullivan with the nurse hat on now. Statistics are showing that 1 in 2 of us is going to be affected by some kind of cancer. The current treatment for cancer is chemotherapy. Therefore, nearly everybody is going to lose their head hair, their eyelashes, and now their eyebrow hairs. As a nurse, I have won the confidence of the Cork City oncologists. They now send their clients to us as part of the pre-chemotherapy preparation. I captured the eyebrow shape before you lose your eyebrows so that you look like you always did, despite your illness. So let me help you grasp some sense of control on how you present yourself to the world. I don't want you to look sicker than you feel. Our eyebrow microblading is a natural alternative to pencil. Let me help you look in the mirror, and in that moment you can think, I don't look sick, or today I can be okay. As a nurse, I am permitted to treat chemotherapy clients during chemotherapy. So this is something that other microbladers are not permitted to do. I am deemed safe. So safe, in fact, that we became the only microbladers to be Leia Healthcare approved and have been since 2018. Sadly, the microblading and the tattoo industry is unregulated here in Ireland. And I've had to become my own regulator in ensuring a safe practice here in Browteak, Cork, and to execute due diligence to me and my clients. As a nurse and also as a theatre nurse, I am an expert in bloodborne pathogens, cross-contamination, aseptic technique and infection control. Here is some of my work. Do you recognise anybody here? Famous Cork Olympian by any chance? Browteak Cork is more than just an eyebrow service. It's a wholly encompassing, caring and safe holding space. Let this trustworthy nurse be part of your support network, your emotional support in a hand-holding way to give you strength, to nurture you, to treat you, to help you bring normality to your life and to restore your eyebrows. We are considered chicken soup for the eyebrow world. So where are we and how do you find us? So my clinic is only 40 minutes from Cork City in the most beautiful part of West Cork called Clonakilty. Inchydonny Beach is literally 2 k's outside of town. People travel from all over the country to us here in Browteak, and there's a steady stream of traffic from Wexford, Kilkenny and Dublin. These people make a weekend out of their trip to us here in Browteak, in Clonakilty, and they also encompass a most beautiful weekend on the Wild Atlantic Way. We're open 6 days a week, with one late evening on Thursday evenings until 9 p.m. Our website is browteakcork.com. You can actually put in a submission if you want to make any inquiry, or you can email us at any time to browteakcork@gmail.com. I'm looking forward to meeting you and your eyebrows. If you have any further questions, I also have a page on Instagram called browteak.ireland, whereby I do coffee talk every morning and I cover all the common questions that come in from people. If you're interested in having your eyebrows done, or if you want a patch test to be sent out to you, all you have to do is reach out to us on browtcork@gmail.com and we'll attend to that right away.